First of all, we will go to the Google, then we will write entdata.in. Then we click here, online application form 2019. Then there are 3 steps to register. First of all, we will click for the registration form. You will write your name. If your name is Sachin, then write your name. Then father's name. If your father's name is Ramesh, then you will write Ramesh. Then mother's name. If your mother's name is Sita Devi, then you will write Sita Devi. If you are not a handicapped, then select no. In this box you will fill your address. Then residential address. Then you will fill your mobile number. If your mobile number is 9897223355, then in next column you will fill your gender. If you are a boy, then select male. If you are a girl, then select female. Then click save and continue. Now the area to which the candidate resides. If you are living in urban area, then you will select urban. If you are living in rural area, then you select rural. The name and address of the institution in which you are studying in class 10th level. Write your school name here. Then type of institution level in which studying in class 10th level. If your school is a government school, then select government. If your school is local body, then select local body. If your school is private, then select private unadded. If your school is located in rural area, then select rural, otherwise select urban. Now select your board. If you are studying in a CBSE school, then select CBSE. If you are studying in Kendriya Vidyalaya or Navodaya Vidyalaya, then you will select yes, otherwise you will select no. Then save and continue. Now medium of examination, in which medium you want to give the exam, you can select. Now medium of examination of NCERT level, again select the medium. Then father's education, select your father's education and occupation of your father. Then mother's education and select the mother's occupation also. Now here you will write your total family numbers. If there are 6 family members in your family, then you will write 6. Now number of brothers. If you have 2 brothers, then write 2. Then number of sisters. Then at what number is the candidate among his or her brother and sisters, means what is the number of the candidate. If you are the elder member of your family, then you will write 1. If you are second one in your sisters and brother, then write 2. If you are third one, then you write 3. Then parent annual income, you will select the slot which are given here. Then select your caste category. If you are belonging to general, then select general. If you are belonging to SC, then select SC. If you are belonging to ST, then select ST. If you are belonging to OBC, then select OBC. If you select any reserved category, then you will fill all the details given below. Like as if you have selected SC, then write your caste name from which you are belonging. If you are belonging to OBC category of Uttar Pradesh, then you will click yes, otherwise you will click no. You can see your list from here. Here you will write your caste certificate number. Then in this column you will write your date of birth. If your date of birth is 12/11/2003, then select it. Then write your correct email address. For example, if your email address is sachin@gmail.com, then save and continue. Now this is your registration number. Click on the submit and continue. Here you will got a certificate. Print this certificate and fill all the informations given in this certificate. Then your principal will sign this certificate. You will also sign this certificate. Then scan it. To get a copy of this certificate, you can print it directly with the help of printer, or you can save as PDF. Then you can print it from anywhere. Now your first step is completed.